Today we start with a new topic, that is training in sports. Before start this topic, we will discuss about the things which we have discussed in this topic is strength, definition of strength, type of strength, method of improving strength. There are three methods to improve strength, that is isometric, isotonic and isokinetic. Endurance, its type, its method and its definition. There are three type of method to develop endurance: continuous, interval and fartlek training method. Same the speed, flexibility and coordination. So student, before start the topic and before start what is strength, I will tell you what is training. First of all, we will discuss about what is training. So student, training training is a training in the process of preparation for some task. Training is a process of preparation some task. It is a act of teaching a person a particular skill or the type of behavior. Training is a teaching or developing skill and knowledge that relate to specific useful competency. Training has specific goals of improving one skill, capability, capacity, productivity and the performance of a person. There is a need of continuous training to maintain, upgrade and update the skill. So student, there is a term sports training. Basically, sports training focus with the systematic and scientific way of preparing a sports person to give his peak performance at a given period of time. What is sports training? It is a systematic and scientific way of preparing a sports person to give his peak performance at a given period of time. Sports training can also Sports training can also be defined as the series of action undertaken in a relation to exercise and diet for preparation of a sports event. So student, this is a definition of training and sports training. Now come to our main topic, component of physical fitness. There are 5 component of physical fitness: strength, speed, endurance, flexibility and coordinative ability. Today we will discuss about strength and its type. So first of all, we will discuss about strength, its definition, type and method to improve strength. First, what is strength? Strength is the ability of muscle to overcome resistance. Strength is the ability of muscle to overcome resistance. It can be defined as the amount of force a muscle can exert. It is essential component of games and sports. So strength is an essential component of games and sport, because uh, any activity we are performing in sports, we need strength. Without strength, we cannot perform any activity in sports. The quality or state of being strong, bodily and muscular power. Strength is also the capacity of an object or substance to understand great force of pressure. Now, facility, the ability to resist disease as it affect organic efficiency. It is the amount of force a muscle or a group of muscle can exert. It is achieved by a voluntary muscle contraction. You know that there are two type of muscle in our body. First is voluntary muscle and other one is involuntary muscles. So it can achieve by the which type of muscle? Voluntary muscle contraction. When voluntary muscle contract, muscle can exert force. Specific type of strength is required for specific type of sports. There are different types of strength. So specific strength is uh, needed for the specific game or to perform specific skill. There are two type of strength: dynamic strength and static strength. So student, first of all we will discuss about static strength. What is static strength? Static strength is also called isometric strength. Static strength is also called isometric strength, where iso and metric are Greek word, which mean iso means same and the metric mean the length. In isometric or in static strength, the length of the muscle remains same while performing any activity. It is the ability of a muscle to act against the resistance. Because it is a strength, so strength is called the ability of muscle to act against resistance. This type of strength not seen directly in sports. This type of strength we cannot see directly, because when we lift the weight without any movement, because it is a static strength, we can perform any activity without movement. When you perform deadlift, you hold the weight and try to lift the weight. At that time your muscle get contract, but we cannot observe or we cannot see directly while the muscle are lengthening or shortening, because in static strength there is a no change in muscles. So student, it is applied in phases, because when we perform weightlifting, clean and jerk, first of all when we lift the weight, we place to our collarbone, then we lift upward. So in this type we applied strength in phases. So this is called static strength. Now the second type of strength is dynamic strength. In dynamic strength, it is also called isotonic strength. Isotonic is also a Greek word, where iso means same and tonic means tension. Because this type of because it is a related to movement. Isotonic strength is related to, or dynamic strength is related to movement, which is clearly visible. For example, when we perform push-ups, when you perform push-ups, when you go down or flex your arm, your biceps get contract and the length of the muscles change. The tension provide the tension exerted by your muscles to your muscles, and your length of a muscle are shortening. So we can clearly visible with naked eye. Dynamic strength is diminishing tendency in which muscle refuses to work after some time. In dynamic strength, muscle refuse to work after some time. After some time we get tired and our muscle get refused to work continuously. In sports movement, strength appear in a different form, which are, there are three type of dynamic strength. Dynamic strength can further divided into three type. The types are maximum strength, explosive strength and strength endurance. There are three type of dynamic strength. First is maximum strength, explosive strength and strength endurance. So student, we will discuss the type of dynamic strength in next lecture. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.